In 2003, a sealed pot of face cream was discovered at a Roman temple complex in Southwark, South London, dating to the 2nd century AD. The small tin pot had remained unopened for nearly 2000 years. The Roman face cream was found in an ornate tin pot that is 6 by 5 cm and is of such high quality that it is comparable to the cosmetic produced today. When the archaeologists opened the pot, they were almost knocked over by the toxic smell. The sulfurous smelling cream inside was still moist and contained a clear fingerprint and other finger marks. Marks left by the last fingers to use the pot were still visible on the lid. So what precisely was in the creamy white ointment? The Londinium cream was primarily made of animal fat, probably from cattle or sheep. Starch was also detected, which was likely isolated by boiling roots and grains in water. In addition, the cream contained a tin dioxide mineral called casterite with the chemical formula SnO2. The cream had a pleasant texture when rubbed into the skin. Although it felt greasy initially, owing to the fat melting as a result of body heat, this was quickly overtaken by the smooth, powdery texture created by the starch. Remarkably, starch is still used for the purpose in modern cosmetics. The cream was a sophisticated preparation, more likely the product of a professional cosmetic factory than that of an amateur. If you like this video, then please consider subscribing to our channel and share this knowledge with your family and friends.